Hi guys, this is Racknload and we've got the new Savage 110 Tactical. Believe it or not, it's a Savage with all these stickers on. You may not be able to tell, but we're just going to give it a run down range. We've got some targets about 120 yards ish, got some close in ones. It's not zeroed, so we'll just sort of see where it's going. We're using some Hornady steel match ammo. I don't think they do this anymore, so we'll 308. We'll just see what she's going like. Brand new rifle, so never been shot, so this will be interesting. Okay, Bushnell scope on top. It's a Bushnell Forge scope. Very nice scope. Let's see where we're going there. And I've just snapped a chain on my gong first shot. So that's that one out of the equation. Trigger is light. Going high. Last time. Pulled that one. Right, okay. I was aiming at the top of the gong then. You got it now? On in.